So I'm trying to make Michael Jackson. I'm freehanding him as a gift. This is the head that I have done until now. I made the arms and I already started the body. It looks like this right now. This is the body in full. And I made also a microphone with some wire and fur yarn. And I really love him. He's so cute. He's like 19 centimeters tall. And I also made a stand for him. This is the final look. So yeah, tell me what you think.